Hello everyone, welcome back to AA Evaluation. My name is Ali Abdullahi, and today we are going to dive into investment amount of 1 Naira table. This is the amount of 1 Naira table. The question is here. Imagine an investor buy a plot of land in Abuja for 10 million Naira as a capital. The investor buy plot of land in Abuja. The cost of buying plot of land is 10 million Naira for as a capital entry real estate business. Based on the market growth and development trend in the area, the investment is projected to yield an average return or compound interest of 15% per annum if the investor hold this land for 14 years. The investor hold land for 15 years before selling it. The question is there, how much will this investment will be won at the end of the 14 years? Let it break it to the calculation. The question is there, how much investor to selling land at this time after 14 years? That is the question. How much the investor selling the land after 14 years? How much selling after 14 years? That is the question in this amount of 1 Naira table under valuation. Okay, and let me check the given data. The given data is there. Is what? 10 million. I is interest is 19%. And then next, the years is what? 14 years. The question of amount of 1 Naira equals to A all over open bracket A all over open bracket 1 plus I interest close bracket raised power of n. This is the amount of 1 Naira question. This is the formula. Amount of 1 Naira formula. This is the formula. A is talking about the amount of 1 Naira. How much investor received after 14 years. This is the A. The A is question mark. This A is question mark. A is question mark. The A is question mark. After calculation, this process getting A to multiply by this amount. The capital of investor started business to get the amount of the value of the business. Let's convert this. Add this A equals to open bracket 1 plus interest. The interest is what? 19%. 100 all over 19. All over 100. 19 all over 100 equals to 0.19. The 0.19 put here. This I is interest. Here from the analysis, I equals to interest. The interest is I. Convert this I as this. Put this here. 0.19 here. close bracket, raised power of n, how many years? Is 14 years. And then go to the next step. A equals to open bracket again. What is the next? The next is one constant from this formula plus this 0.19, one constant plus 0.19 equals to 1.19, 1.19, close bracket, raised power of 14 years. The next step is what? The final answer, 1.19 raised power of 14 years. 1.19 raised power of 14 years. 1.19 raised power of 14 years. You can see in calculator, 1.19 raised power of 14 years is there, equals to, the answer is what? 11.4197, approximately 98. Put here A equals to 11. So this amount 11.4198. This amount of figures multiply by capital, the capital from the question, multiply by the capital. This multiply by this, get this 10 million as a capital. This amount of the figure is multiply by this, get this, the amount of this selling land in Abuja presently, 114,900,000 and something thousand, approximately say 114,200, 114,200,000 naira. This is the investment procedure. This is the investment procedure, investment analysis under real estate. So if you does not understand, you can contact me. I am ready to explain you. Thank you. Goodbye.